to my apartment. I am whispering a little bit. I'm just not used to filming in this space yet, I guess. I don't know. I have to get used to like talking out loud in an apartment. I think I'm fighting a cold and my allergies hit me. I've been in Texas since Thursday morning or afternoon and my allergies finally hit me today. I thought they would hit earlier, but they did not. You could probably hear it in my voice, but I moved to Texas, as you all know. Or maybe this is your first video. Hello, my name is Jordan. If you want to watch some of my other moving process videos, feel free to do so. I will link my playlist in the description box. I have been unpacking. My parents so graciously flew down with me and been very grateful that they've been able to help me out on unpacking and shopping and like all this other stuff for the moving process, which I've been very grateful for. They actually just left, so it hasn't totally hit me yet. Also, one of my best friends live very close to me, so I'm very excited to be close to them. They're my best friends and I'm just so excited. So my friend was just over here. I've been living at home for a long time. Even when I graduated college back in 2018, I moved back home and I thought I was going to get an apartment. I really wanted to move out like after college like most people, but even back then it was so expensive. Texas is just so much cheaper and everyone's super friendly here. I have had great conversations with people. It's funny because I am more quiet. I may not come off that way on YouTube, but in person I'm actually a little bit more quiet, a little bit more reserved, and it's just really interesting that I've been able to, without much thought, just naturally speak to people down here and hold good long conversations, and it's been awesome. And where I lived previously, you definitely did not get that, so I'm very happy to be down here and I think it's making me a little bit more outgoing. Very grateful for God and for him telling me to move to Texas a couple years ago. This has been a whole process. I'm basically taking things out of boxes and like loosely putting it where it would go, but I'm not organizing it. I'm in my closet right now. Literally everything is everywhere and I have a really big walk-in closet. It's my first walk-in closet. So excited. This is literally a dream closet. Literally, thank you God. Oh, and I had to bring Peace Up home with me. I actually had that shower curtain in college. If you've been watching me since my college days, you know that curtain. I did not use it for the shower. I actually just used it as a curtain to hide my closet, my open closet, if you will. I had to use that finally, but here is my closet. It is so large and in charge. I love it. Right here is the linen closet area, and I'm thinking of getting square baskets. Obviously it's not organized. I could do without the baskets and they're not like a priority purchase right now. I obviously need to organize everything. I think, oh, that's where my box cutter went. I've been looking for that all day. That's the last shelf as far as this section goes. And then I have like this really nice shelf space. We got this big long one up here, this one down here. Just have so much space below everything. Obviously it's all super crowded right now, but I even have some space over here a little bit. Here is my bathroom. If you have seen any of my previous videos, when I lived back home, I had a double sink counter, also granite, and a lot of storage space. I have less storage space here, but actually these are very deep drawers and they're wide, so I can fit so much in here. Again, I'm still organizing. I do have shelf liners in there too. Really big under the sink storage, as you guys saw in my previous sink storage back home. There's like a good amount of storage and it was deep, but there were giant pipes on the way, and so I had to like get strategic about configuring everything, getting certain containers so that it would fit in a certain way, and it was very interesting. So this is all I have down here so far. I do have my palette container right here. It's not currently filled with eyeshadow palettes. This is so large, I'm sure it would fit in there, but it will take up half of the space. What I plan to do with this whole thing is have all my skincare on this side and then have all my makeup on this side, because I have my makeup storage over there and that is so not organized. You saw my packing vlogs. I was putting everything in every storage container I could fit it into. What I love about this storage area, it's so deep. first of all. And there's so much space. Also, in the bathroom and in the kitchen, these shelves, you can adjust the heights. I actually really like it the way it is. And I don't curl my hair a lot, but I do have some different curling irons. I wasn't really sure where I was going to store that, but it's nice that I can store it down there. This is obviously just like daily essentials, besides whatever else is on my counter. And this giant mirror. Hello. This giant mirror. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's very blown out. The lights. Here we go. So you see those lights. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So you can see the mirror a little bit better. And it's so big and it's so clear. I literally love it. Yes, very excited. A very big tub shower. I love this apartment. I prayed for this apartment a lot. I fasted for this apartment. Thank God brought me to this apartment. And even the complex, oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Literally this entire complex is just so beautiful. I think with being in a new living space and obviously a lot of organizational videos in general, I feel more inspired in this apartment to make more videos, even though I do not have a designated filming space. I think a lot of my videos are gonna start turning into more vlog styles, which I'm okay with. I do have this little space right here. Not that I would do makeup there. I mean, I don't know, but my couch is right there and I just got that couch, so I don't want to get it dirty. This was in my room previously, and I was really wanted to use it for makeup. I had it in my current bedroom, but it was actually taking up more space. Currently sleeping on my new purple mattress, and so I had it right where my backpack was, and I was like, you know what, it's just taking up a lot of space. So then I brought that back out to my living area, and it just created so much more space over here. So I'm really happy with the way that looks. I'm just gonna have to figure out sit down videos. I just don't know what that's gonna look like in here. I mean, I could technically do it on my kitchen counter, very different setup, but I do have a makeup mat that I could use. I think a lot of my videos are gonna start turning into vlog style, which I am okay with. I've been wanting to do vlog style videos for a while, just didn't really know how to. This is my work setup right here. I've had this office chair for a while, but could not fit it in my previous bedroom, let alone it is 70 pounds. So even just getting it up one step is a lot. Obviously you saw that desk in my previous room, my work monitor. I'm still setting up this whole area. I don't know if I'm keeping that lamp over there, but it does look cute. I do have this giant window like I do in my bedroom. Both have come with the blinds, and it's a super nice window. It lets so much light in. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I have my little TV. I had that when I was in middle school. It's so old. I'm just not big into watching TV, but I was like, well, I don't want to have to buy one when I'm here, so might as well just take the one I had back and move it with me. And that way, if I do want to watch TV or if I have friends over, that's no issue. But my friend Heather gave me this plant, this little cute faux plant. Here's my kitchen, so beautiful. I prayed for like cabinets, and then at one point I was like, you know what, God, you know my style. I don't have to ask for much. He literally provided me with this entire apartment. He provided, and this entire move he provided. He always provides. Here's my pantry area. Obviously I'll do a more like elevated apartment tour at some point, but that's just an overview. So nice. I got this island, and I'm gonna get some bar stools. Not right now, not a priority purchase. This was my chair that I was filming with back home, so I have this ledge right here and just need a place to sit because I don't have a table or anything, and I don't think I will bring in a small table. I just think I really like having this open space over here. I really like the open space. That side table, it is from Marshall's. Actually, my mom and I found the same one, or slightly different, at Home Goods yesterday, so I guess they still have it, but that was in my bedroom before. Here's my other giant window. These past few days have been an adjustment. They've been so busy. Oh my gosh. This was just a little quick overview vlog. Again, I am feeling way more inspired to really just film any sort of video, whether it's vlog style or not vlog style. Even when I was back home, even just looking at my apartment video and pictures of the apartment, I was like, I truly feel more inspired to make really any video at this point. I think I was at home for so long. I just moved out for the first time, so it's been a really long time. I had a routine, but almost every single day was just so mundane to the point where like I was not motivated or inspired, and I tried lots of things to get to that point and it was just not happening. And now I feel so inspired and filled with the Holy Spirit. I'm just so excited to make more videos. So excited. please give this video a big thumbs up. I almost forgot my outro. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell if you want to be notified of all my future uploads. I upload beauty, health, and Jesus content. I hope you all have the best day ever. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!